Hello friends, I'm going to be teaching you over a video today because I'm not here. Please watch the full video because I'm going to go through the whole lesson with you and we're going to do an example together before I send you off on your own, okay? So as you know, on Friday, last week we started division, but on Friday we did something a little different because our first day that we went over division, we didn't have any remainders. We were just reminding ourselves the steps of division, the division process, using the standard algorithm. So today, we're going to be continuing with remainders, but this one's a little different because we're using money, and so we have to figure out how to divide $1 or $2 that we have left into however many equal groups they're asking us to divide it into. So we're going to start with this first problem on page 108. If you'll turn to page 108 and 109 in your Stepping Stones book, and you can pause this if you need to get there. And you're going to follow along with me, and whatever I write, you're going to write with me. Okay? So it says a company bought new computers for all their staff. The computers costed $7,206 in total. So we know that they bought a bunch of computers for their company, or for their staff, and we know that the total amount they spent on these computers was $7,206. We're just going to go ahead and write that amount in dollar form. So we're going to write 7,206, and we're going to add our decimal, and we're going to put dollars, okay? Just so we can visualize the dollar amount. 5 equal monthly payments were paid to make the total cost. So they paid this $7,206 in the span of 5 months, but they paid the same exact amount each month that they paid for it. So we know in math, when we split something up into equal groups, that means we're dividing. So here it shows us an example of how we can figure out the amount of each payment, which we know we're going to divide. So it's telling us that Leon used the standard division algorithm to figure out the exact amount. So here on the right, we're going to kind of go through the steps and see how he divided this number. Okay? So first, let's look at what he did. He set it up like a division problem using standard algorithm. And before we even look at how he divided it, we know that we have to make our hashtag for 5. So right now I want you to make your hashtag with me for your 5s. So you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, oops, 35, 40, and our last one is 45. Okay. You have this hashtag with me. I'm fixing this too because it looks kind of weird. Okay. So now we kind of follow along with Leon to see how he divided this problem. So we know that we start out in our thousand space. So our first step is to divide 7 divided by 5. Well, we know that 5 can only go into 7 one time, looking at our hashtag. Because if we put it in 2 times, it goes over 7. So we can't put it in twice. So therefore, he put the 1